Welcome back to RECtv. It's been a while since we've seen you all. We thought during this holiday season, while all of you parents are home with your kids for Christmas break looking for things to do, you can keep them busy for a while making some homemade ornaments. So I'll give you a few examples. Basically, you can fill a bauble with anything you've got at home. You can fill it with pom-poms, or you can fill it with Legos, or your kids can be creative and fill it with anything they find. Paper clips, shredded paper, confetti, you name it. Let them be very creative and find their own way. Next, a few craft items you may already have at home. We've got fuse beads, perler beads, if you will. Easy enough already, have a hole in them. Stick a pipe cleaner through them. You've got a hook, any design you want. While you've got your pipe cleaners out, twist a few of them together. Make a candy cane. Another option, this is a good one for little kids who don't have the dexterity yet to use like seed beads or smaller beads. You can put pony beads on a pipe cleaner, and it's a lot easier for toddlers to do. And then while you're at it, throw some jingle bells on it to make it a little more festive. If you're out for a nature walk and find a pine cone, they're always a good Christmas ornament. You can put this one has wiki sticks on it, if you're familiar with those. They're little wax sticks. Or you can paint it, you can add glitter, and then again, our handy dandy pipe cleaner for the hook. Or if you're into baking with your kids, you can make salt dough ornaments. They're kind of like cookies, but you don't want to eat them. Easy ingredients that everybody has at home. A lot of salt and flour and a little bit of water. The instructions are all over the internet, pretty easy to find. You can use different shaped cookie cutters. You can paint them, you can add glitter like we did to this one, and just be sure before you bake them that you poke a hole in them for your hook. And last but not least, my favorite is the applesauce Christmas ornament. So it uses applesauce, cinnamon, and some recipes, I personally choose the ones that include glue to hold it together. You don't want to eat them, but they smell really good, and they make your tree smell good. We have some of these on our tree that we've had for years, and they still smell delightful every year. So keeping up with past traditions, our Parks and Recreation staff has continued another contest as we do each year. Last year, if you remember, we made trees out of office supplies. This year, we made our own ornaments, and we did them based on different Christmas movie themes. So we all drew a Christmas movie out of a hat, and we've got things all the way from Christmas Vacation to Miracle on 34th Street, even to Jingle All the Way with Arnold Schwarzenegger. So hop on our Facebook page, you can see all of our creations and vote for your favorite. And then somebody new in the Parks and Recreation department will have bragging rights for the whole year. From all of us here at Greenville Parks and Recreation, we wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.